Hello everyone, welcome to day 19. Today has been a day of massive progress. It's been fantastic. Guys have been working really hard. First thing we did today, let's go through it. We finished, you can just see over my shoulders, the hangers that we started yesterday. Try and do this. You see they go all the way along now. There's just a couple of gaps to allow us to get in and out of the compartment, which will fill up at the end. What else? The gas burner guys worked really hard today. The engineers and gas fitters, they fitted all the boxes, all the fittings and everything underneath. The electrician came in and put some parts in, so hopefully tomorrow, I think, in the morning, we will be running some preliminary tests to make sure the system works as we want and that we can ramp everything up and down as we need. What else have we done? Agustin has been working on some columns to support all the pressure probe measurements. You can see them just behind me here on my right. He's been bolting those together and cutting the wood and has gotten all done in one day. Fantastic effort. Stefan working ever hard at the top of his little mechanical beast all the way up there. Let's see if we can get them in. You can see at the top behind me he has been putting those facade capturing things there. So the idea is that we put heat flux meters up on that facade and we capture the heat feedback that would ultimately result on the building or the windows above the building. And he has at the end, you can't quite see it, a double skin facade as well, so he'll have a look at the effect of flames spilling into the double skin. Okay, Juan, our student sponsored by Rockwell, has been fitting some samples, some special samples into the back wall. You can see just over my left shoulder. They are to test variations in different types of insulation. And he has also fitted the heat flux meters to those walls. So those panels are all finished now. We have been and are actually continuing to do, you can see just there over my right shoulder, the heat flux meters in the ceiling. We cut the holes yesterday and today we've produced the meters and are just finishing putting them in now at the end of the day. So that should all be done and all the holes sealed ahead of the gas burner test tomorrow. And finally, the shutters for the front of the compartment have arrived, the ones that we'll be using to simulate the window breakage and the changing ventilation as the fire travels. So hopefully we'll be able to mock some of those up tomorrow and show you them firsthand. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hello viewers. Now, this has not been referred to yet, but as you can see, this ceiling is actually full of spikes. Now, what you haven't been told is this project was actually commissioned by Dr. Evil of Austin Powers fame as a trap. The ceiling is on rollers and descends very agonizingly slowly. Don't come in.